Learning with Zachary and Zayden. All right, boys and girls. Today we're gonna learn how to gangster. Get out of here, gangster. We're gonna count money. Do you know how to count money?
Yes, I do, and I'm gangster.
Okay, big money. Ooh.
I want the 21.
Okay, so let's go ahead and start. So, what is this?
One.
$1 bill. This is the currency of the United States. This is the money we use. This is $1. So, how many $1 bills do we have here?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See?
5. So we have how much money right there?
5.
$5. Okay, so $5. What is this?
$5.
A $5 bill. So $5 here and $5 here. How much money do we have here? What is $5 plus $5? Let's count them like this. Let's start at the 5. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how much money do we have here? $10.
Just like that 10.
Okay, so we have $10 here. What is this? A $10 bill. So this is $10 and that's $10. So now we have a lot of money here. Gunster, you like money, don't you?
Yes.
Oh man, he's so excited. Now, what is $10 plus $10? We have $10. 10 plus 5. What is 10 plus 5? $10 plus 5 equals 15. So let's start at 15. So we have 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We have $20 right here. All right. Okay, so we have $20 here, but let me show you a different way to make $20. So what do we have here? We have two $10 bills. So 10 plus 10 equals 20. Yeah. So, Gusta, where you going with that $20 bill?
That's mine.
Okay, you can have the 20, Guster. So we have 10 plus 10 equals 20 and $20 bill. All right. So now, look at this. Bigfoot, you have a 22. 20. So 10.
Hey, now you're a friend, Bigfoot.
Oh, yeah.
So now you have the 2 20s?
2 20s.
Yeah, so now you're a friend.
Yeah.
Now we can gunst people now. Now you're a Bigfoot gunster.
Bigfoot gangster?
Yep.
I didn't know I could be that. Okay, so you guys are learning a lot. But now let's see if you can tell which is more. So, which is more? Right here or right here? Which is more?
10.
10. Ding, 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 ding. Zach, good job. Yes, so we had $5 on this side and $10 on this side. And $10 is more than $5. Good job. Okay, let's see if you get this one right. We have that. Which is more?
20.
20? Correct. We have $20 on this side, and we have $15 on this side. Zach, good job. Okay, this is the last one. We have a whole lot of bills over here. And we have 2 bills over there. Which is more? Those 20s. Good job. So we have $40 here. 20 plus 20 equals 40. Over here we have 10 plus 10 equals 20 plus 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 25 plus a 5. 25 plus 5 equals 30. So right here is $30. And this is 40. So you were right. Good job. You guys sure know how to count money. Hey man, I gotta ask you something.
Yes.
What do you want, Bigfoot? Hey man, can I keep all this money? What? You want to keep it too, Godson?
Yes. You only want to hold the money and then going to make a money party.
Money party?
Yeah.
Oh, that sounds great. All right, maybe next time. See you later.
Tomorrow.
Good job, kids.